Welcome back friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 575 distribute candies. So let's just go over the description quickly. Alice has n candies where the ith candy is of candy type I. Alice noticed that she started to gain weight, so she visited a doctor. The doctor advised Alice to only eat n by 2 of the candies she has. N is always even. Alice likes her candies very much and she wants to eat the maximum number of different type of candies while she is following the doctor's advice. Given the integer array candy type of length n, return maximum number of different types of candies she can eat if she only eats n by 2 of them. So as you know, this is the array that is given to us. These are the candy types actually, and Alice has these candies and she can maximum eat n by 2 candies, right? That's what is given to given to us. So for example, if you look at this example, Alice has 1 1 2 2 and 3 3, means there are three types of candy she has, like what type 1, type 2 and type 3, but she can eat like maximum of n by 2, means 6 by 2 means 3 candies, so we have to return 3, so she can eat 3 candies here, right? Now if you take a look at the second example, Alice has three types of candies, but now she cannot eat three because n by 2 is 2. So if n by 2 is smaller than the type of candy she has, then we have to return that amount, right? N by 2, basically 2, right? So so let's just, and here is another example. She has one type of candy, she has four candies, so she can eat maximum only one type of candy, right? Because she cannot eat multiple type of candies like this is. So whatever is smaller we have to return. So if candy, only one candy type is there, so even if n by 2 is 2, we should only return one because there is only one type, right? So whatever is smaller we should return. So the implementation is quite simple here. So what we are going to do is we are going to take the array here that's given to us, and we are going to just create a set of integers, and we are going to add that called as types. So this is holding the candy types basically. So we will just add these numbers from the array into the set, right? So we will know how many candy types are there, and we will calculate the size of the candy types, right? So for example, in this case it will give us 3, or if you see in this case also it will give us 3, right? Candy types basically, because it's a set, so it will have 1 2 3, so total size is 3. So after this, so let me just, this is just, I was debugging. So what we will do is we will just check the total types against the total by 2, right? N by 2 basically, because she cannot eat more than n by 2. So if the total type, like if types is more than n by 2, what is the case in this example, right? N by 2 is 2 and types is 3, so we will just write the result as n by 2 because we have to take the smaller, right? So n by 2, if it is smaller, then we will take the n by 2 basically, because we have, it's given that she can only eat maximum n by 2 candies basically, and we have to just return the result. So whatever is the minimum amount between the types and the n by 2 candies, we will return it as our answer basically. So let's just take a look. I took this all these three examples, so let's quickly run this. So as you can see, we are getting correct result. For first we got 3, for second we got 2, and for the third example we got 1, right? So we are getting correct result, so we will just submit our code. So our solution is 87%. So so it's quite simple, like you have to just take a set of integer. You have to take set of integer to calculate how many types of candies are there. So you just will iterate through the array, create the set types, you get the types, how many types, by using types dot size, and you will just compare that total types with the n by 2. Whatever is smaller you will take it and you will return. So that's the solution for distribute candies problem. So this is the way you can solve this problem. I often create LeetCode solution videos in Java, as well as Java interview helpful videos with Java J2E technologies. I have a big playlist there, for lead code solutions, as well as other computer science stuff like BFS, DFS, dynamic programming, linked list arrays. Uh, so please check out the playlist. It has a lot of good videos. Also subscribe to my channel. Subscription really helps the channel. So please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.